Didiił'jee. This is Navajo Grandma. Today is our survival tip number 3. And guess what it's on? Bing. It is on what? Fire. Okay, look at the fire. It's pitch dark outside. We're going to go out and try to build a fire. How you say fire is keeping it simple. To start with, here is matches. We just regular everyday matches. Keep it simple. It's called tsitł'éłí. There's all kinds. This is the kitchen type, regular kitchen one, smaller option. And then we have the one we can use outside. They're long matches. Let's look at these. A lot longer than the others, if you can see how long this is. Waterproof diamond matches, diamond waterproof matches. And look, they look like firecrackers. It says, diamond weatherproof matches are windproof and waterproof. They are guaranteed to stay lit for up to 25 seconds and will relight even after being submerged in water. Stay prepared for any emergencies at home or use while camping or hiking. And these were $6. Grandpa had a tizzy over that. Okay, and then these are fire starters, okay? You don't have to, no, we're not going to get into the deep, dark pits of fire starting. This is simple. Remember, simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, okay? So we have, this is cotton, lint, and cotton swabs. You have and so I don't know if you've ever used, this is from our dryer, okay? Look, very easily. This thing is very combustible. You just light it, boom, you're in trouble. It'll light really, really fast, really quick. These are from medicine bottles, okay? And these medicine, they have at the top, they usually have these. Grandma, I don't know why, but I used to know people who lived through the 30s and man, they were conscious of everything, and I just caught the bug. So I save these things, okay? Then there's cotton swabs. You can light these. Paper towels, not bad. And you have Kleenex, okay? Now, in Navajo, like I said, these 3 items are called Didiił'jee. And then the other one, this is, in Navajo, there's really no word for it. You say, everybody goes, oh, get paper towel and the sauce, you know, or everybody just says paper towel. Same thing. You know, I call it not sauce. I'm not going to say I'm not going to teach you how to say this in Navajo. But anyways, people just say Kleenex. That's how they say it. It's just the Navajo way of saying Kleenex. If not, not sauce be at order. That could be paper towel. It could be toilet. It's a paper that you wipe something with. You know, a wiper. Here is something that I always keep all these things in. Remember our good old plastic bags. If you keep these, there's usually the smaller ones you can keep. I keep these all in a plastic bag. So these are very simple. Don't go out and buy the whole world. We're not all rich, okay? People are going to freak out and think, oh my gosh, do I have to get that one? I have to get the magnesium thrower, and oh my gosh, I'll tell you about those in a bit. So it is dark at night. It is snowing. What's going to happen when the lights go out? And you don't have anything like this. And look, these things will get wet. That will get wet. This will get wet. What are you going to do if you can't start a fire? That can get wet. This can get wet. And so there's a lot of things that we need to take in consideration. And then we have this. This sucker will stay on for 25 seconds. And it can be, you know, submerged in water. It'll still be there. And wind and rain, it'll light. And these again are the what? Weatherproof matches. That's a good investment. It's $6, people, up to $7. It's worth your safety. So all of these, we're going to go out in the dark and we're going to try to light a fire. I'm also going to show you our wood. out there. And it's going to be dark. I hope my camera can handle it. This is called ajit. Look at that. Ajit. That's the wood fibers. And ajit is this. I'm trying to do this all at once. It's all that wood. You know, the wood fibers off of these. This is ajit. Get something, a cover, where you can have a fire. Now this is what can light a fire. Do you see? Okay, so we're going to let that burn down. Here is some lint. That's a cotton. Here is some lint. Look at that. Okay, see? They're burning. Then, of course, you know, here is a paper towel. There's another fire lighter. Okay, we have that. The tissue paper is very flammable. Now watch. That one, well, flammable. It's not even lighting. See, there you go. Here's another. That's tissue. Now let's start the cotton swab. See, you can, actually what you have to do is you have to open this cotton swab up. You just can't. So Grandma's going to open it up, for example, and we'll just start. See, there it is. There's your cotton swab. When it's open, it'll stay lit. This is the wood fiber from a cedar wood.